Yeah, a little warm and muggy, but otherwise take advantage of the quiet weather. It's a first alert weather day for later today and again tomorrow for a couple rounds of severe weather. 2 rounds, in fact, a chance late tonight and then again tomorrow afternoon and into the evening hours. Tornadoes, large hail up to 2 inches, damaging winds upwards of 75 to 80 miles per hour, along with a potential flash flood risk. So there is a lot that we are watching. Here's a look at the severe risk for tonight. It starts earlier this afternoon in western North Dakota and progresses from the west to the east. Level 3 out of 5 encompasses a good portion of eastern North Dakota. Then for tomorrow, a good portion of the region again in a level 3 out of 5 risk for severe. This afternoon, just going to see some increase in clouds heading into the evening hours. It's going to be warm, it's going to be muggy, but Bobby, coming up, we're going to go over the timing of these couple rounds of severe weather and a more specific look at the hazards for these rounds as well.
Yeah, definitely a lot to pay attention to, especially with We Fest happening over at Sioux Pass Ranch.
Absolutely.
Summer, thank you so much. We'll talk to you again in a few more minutes.
On a first alert weather day later tonight and then again tomorrow, we're looking at rounds of severe weather. Let's take a look first at tonight. This is going to be later on tonight into tomorrow morning. We've got an enhanced risk, a level 3 out of 5. The area is highlighted in orange from the Devil's Lake Basin down through the James River Valley. Pushing this afternoon, a couple of showers arriving first in northeastern North Dakota. Those move through, a few storms around the commute time. But the main round of storms comes later tonight. This is 9 o'clock. You can see this line of storms pushing into the Devil's Lake Basin, extending to the south and east during the overnight hours. This is 1 o'clock in the morning. A line of storms through the Central Valley and a few more off to the west. This continues to push into Lakes Country during the early overnight hours into the pre-dawn hours of Friday morning. So We Festers, it's going to be an overnight storm threat for you. By about 6 a.m., still seeing some storms rolling through our southeasternmost counties, but those move out, bringing us a break from the first round of storms before we get ready for the second round of storms. But taking a look at the tornado threat for tonight, the risk is greater out to the west. We're looking at just an isolated risk, though. A few tornadoes possible, a low risk. These areas in green, no risk in black. The hail threat, we're looking at isolated to elevated large hail as well, but the wind is our biggest threat for tonight. An elevated risk for damaging wind gusts areas in yellow, an enhanced risk for damaging wind gusts in red. And you notice this black shading, that means significant wind gusts possible. And significant, again, is that hatched area on the Storm Prediction Center's map. And some definitions here. Significantly large hail is 2 inches in diameter or larger. Significant wind, though, is that threat for tonight. So looking at gusts over 75 miles per hour. For tomorrow, an enhanced risk, these areas in orange, again, that's at level 3 out of 5 risk for severe. Another tornado threat, large hail over 2 inches, gusts up to 80 miles per hour going to be possible. So here's a look at the timeline. A few lingering showers through a late Friday morning into the early afternoon. Here comes that next round, some more discrete cells, bringing that predominantly large hail threat. They continue to roll through during the early overnight hours as well, so it's not going to be an all-night event like it's likely to be tonight. The tornado risk for tomorrow is low, but it's there. An enhanced threat for large hail, meaning again 2 inches or larger in diameter, and an elevated damaging wind threat. Precipitation wise, we've already got some heavy rainfall over the last couple.
Just after these first weather days, smooth sailing, hopefully after that. Summer, thank you so much. Well, sure.
Breezy this weekend, but temperatures less muggy, less stormy.
Yeah, and for those going out to We Fest, have that BNO weather app and just check it hour by hour or minute by minute, especially if things get severe.
Yes.
Summer, thank you so much. Thank you for tuning to Valley News Live at noon. Have a great day.